This video will guide you through using Classlink to change your district password, the password you use to access your computer and your email. To begin, open a web browser like Google Chrome. Sign in to Classlink. This entire web page you are currently viewing is considered Classlink. In Classlink, click the Profile down arrow and select My Profile. In the General menu, scroll down until you find Reset Password. Enter your old password, and then select a new password. Click the blue Submit button. You will see a message saying that your password has been changed successfully. Now click on the X in the top right corner to close the window. It is highly suggested that you restart your computer at this point. Close your web browser, click on the Windows icon, and select the Power button. Restart your computer. Log into your computer using your newly created password. Now that you've restarted your computer, when you sign into Classlink, you're going to use your EID number to sign in and the new password that you've successfully created.